In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sale invoice in Zoho Books. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in and that you have your customer details and product or service information ready. Having this handy will make the process smooth and quick. To start, look to the top right corner of your Zoho Books dashboard and click the plus icon. From the menu that appears, select Invoices. This opens the invoice creation form where you'll enter all the details for your sale. At the top, choose your customer from the drop-down. Zoho Books will automatically fill in the billing details if you've saved them, but you can adjust anything that needs updating. Check the invoice date and set a due date that matches your payment terms. If you work in multiple currencies, confirm the correct currency is selected. You can also review the invoice number. Zoho Books usually generates this for you, but you can customize it if your organization uses a specific numbering format. Next, add your line items. Click to add each product or service, set the quantity, and confirm the rate or price. If you apply taxes, select the appropriate tax for each line item so totals calculate correctly. You can also add discounts per item or an overall discount if that's part of your agreement. If you charge shipping or handling, add those amounts in the appropriate fields so the final total reflects everything your customer will pay. Scroll down to the Notes or Terms section. This is a good place to include friendly payment instructions, return policies, or a thank you message. If you have a supporting document, such as a signed estimate or a purchase order, attach it so everything is organized in one place. Take a moment to review the summary on the right side of the screen. Confirm the subtotal, taxes, discounts, shipping, and the grand total. It's always worth a quick double check to avoid edits later. When you're satisfied, choose how you want to save the invoice. Click Save as Draft. If you need to review it internally or plan to come back and make changes, click Save and Send if you're ready to deliver it to your customer. Save and Send will prepare the email with the invoice attached, and you can personalize the message before sending. And there you go. You've created a sale invoice in Zoho Books. With these steps, you'll be able to build accurate, professional invoices quickly and keep your billing process running smoothly. That's all.